Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'll be making macaroni. This is my macaroni and this is my shredded carrots. In here I have carrots and ginger mixed with turmeric powder. Okay, here is the vegetable oil. Here I have my bell pepper, onion. Here is my curry powder, crayfish. Here I have my salt. Here is my black pepper. Here is my seasoning. Here I have my turmeric powder. Here I have my tomatoes. These tomatoes I produced it by myself, so I'll be using one or two of it today. So just sit back there and watch how I do it. Let's get started. Okay, my water has been boiling for some minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 spoon of salt. Guys, pardon me, I forgot to show you the chicken that I'll be using and the grounded beef. Okay, if you're looking at this beef like this, I brought it out from my freezer and I microwaved it. That's why it's looking like this. Okay, so that is it, all the ingredients I'll be using to make this macaroni. Okay, this is the chicken. I'm gonna season it with all the seasonings by putting salt, curry powder. I've already put black pepper, then lastly the seasoning. So I will mix it very well with my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my oil. Okay guys, I am trying so hard to open this my tomatoes, but it's so sealed, it's so hard to open. So I've used the spoon, no way. So I decided to use screwdriver. So I popped it up with screwdriver, and the thing made the sound of poof. I was like, it was so hard to open, but finally I opened it. So guys, as I said earlier, that I was the one that made this tomato by myself. So I'll go ahead and fry it in the deep hot oil. So right now I'll be putting the shredded carrots mixed with turmeric powder and ginger. So I'm gonna cover it to fry for about 10 minutes before I start putting other ingredients. So I'll be putting the onion and bell pepper, then I'll be putting other ingredients. So I'll be putting the curry powder, turmeric powder, the seasonings, the salt, the black pepper, and I'm gonna give it a nice stir. I'll be adding water, then I'm gonna put the meatballs. So after putting the meatballs, I'm gonna cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'll be putting the chicken back in the stew. So I will allow the chicken to cook for about 5 minutes before I'll bring everything out. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of this video. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, okay? Bye for now.